Have you ever noticed how some of the most nourishing foods don't shout for attention? They don't come wrapped in trends or drenched in sugar. They just quietly glow. Today, we're talking about golden melons. A fruit that looks like it was painted by the sun itself, yet somehow slipped out of the modern spotlight. In many parts of the world, especially Korea, this melon has been enjoyed for generations. Crisp, light, refreshing, not overpoweringly sweet, not heavy, just clean, cooling nourishment. Golden melons are small to medium-sized melons with bright yellow skin and pale, crunchy flesh. They're often eaten fresh, sliced right down the middle, seeds scooped out, and enjoyed as a simple, honest food. Unlike large dessert melons, golden melons are less sugary, more hydrating, easier to digest. They're the kind of fruit you eat on a warm afternoon when your body wants refreshment, not indulgence. Golden melons are mostly water but not empty water. They help rehydrate the body, cool internal heat, support digestion, gently replenish electrolytes. This made them especially valuable before refrigeration and sports drinks existed. Nature already handled hydration elegantly. Golden melons are traditionally eaten raw and fresh, often between meals. Why? Because they are light on the stomach, don't ferment, easily help move digestion along in traditional food wisdom. Foods like this were used to support digestion, not overwhelm it. If heavy meals feel like they linger too long, this is the kind of fruit that brings balance back. Golden melons contain vitamin C for immune support, potassium for fluid balance, small amounts of beta-carotene, natural enzymes that aid digestion. They're not flashy superfoods, they're quiet helpers. And sometimes, those are the most powerful. In older food traditions, golden melons weren't turned into syrups or desserts. They were sliced and eaten fresh, paired with simple meals enjoyed during hot seasons, used to cool the body naturally. No processing, no additives. Just fruit, as it was meant to be. As food became sweeter, larger, and more engineered, gentle fruits like golden melons faded into the background. They weren't dramatic enough. They didn't spike sugar. They didn't demand attention, but the body remembers. And when we return to foods like this, something subtle shifts. Digestion feels easier. Energy steadies. Hydration improves. If you find golden melons at international markets, Asian grocery stores, specialty produce stands, give them a try. Eat them slowly. Taste the simplicity. Let your body decide. Sometimes health isn't about adding more. It's about remembering what we lost. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a qualified health professional for dietary or medical concerns.